Welcome everyone to Affairs Cloud. I am Vikas. Today we'll be looking at the important current affairs of February 2021. We have an app by the name of Careers Cloud where you can go and purchase our current affairs course in which we provide date-wise PDF, weekly test and monthly PDF. To purchase the code, you can straight away use the code VICAS10 and get an additional 10% discount on that course. So let's start with our questions. Where is India's first geothermal field development project planned to get established? As per the MOU signed in February 21 between the state and union territories administration with the ONGC. So where is this first geothermal field project is being planned? It is planned in Jammu and Kashmir, Sonmarg. It is planned in Jammu and Kashmir, Sonmarg. You should remember one thing about Kerala, that a 90 international speakers. So let's start the questions. Where is India's first geothermal field development project to be planned to get? India's first geothermal field development project is planned to get established as per the MOU signed between the states and the ONGC. So India's first geothermal project is being developed at Sonmarg, Jammu and Kashmir. It is being developed at Sonmarg, Jammu and Kashmir. Then Pay Jal Sarvekshan. This was conducted by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Next question. PM Modi launched the Assam Mela program in Assam. What is the aim behind the Assam Mela? First thing you should remember, Assam celebrated Assam Mela. Assam Mala, or you can say Assam Mela. So Assam celebrated Assam Mela, and what was the aim behind this program? The main aim was to improve the road network. Also, India joins Iran and Russia military exercise. Join Iran and Russia maritime military exercise, or you can say maritime security belt exercise. Security belt 2021. So they were conducting an exercise and India also participated in it. Okay, next question. Where was India's first children's boat library inaugurated? India's first children's boat library, where was it inaugurated? It was inaugurated in, tell me the name. It was inaugurated in Kolkata, West Bengal. Also in West Bengal recently, Sanskrit Divas was celebrated. Okay, we will revise it later. In it, Sanskrit was celebrated. Recently, to counter the growing power of WhatsApp, India has just launched an app by the name Sends. Okay, and it is a messaging app which Sends app, and it was launched by NIC. Okay, next question. What was India's GDP growth rate projected by RBI for fiscal year 21-22 as of February 21? What was the expected projected growth rate by RBI? It was 10.5%. Also, France has just approved a law by the name anti-radical law. This law is to strengthen the government oversights over mosques and religious schools or institutions. So France has just passed a law by the name anti-radical law, and the expected or the projected growth by RBI of India will be 10.5%. Next question. What is RBI's repo rate as of February 2021? RBI's repo rate as of February 2021 is 4%. Okay. Recently, IIT Madras just launched an e-bike, and the name of the bike was Pimo. Okay. Also recently, Eco Pact. What is an Eco Pact? It is a low carbon concrete to build manufacture buildings. Low carbon concrete. It was also in news recently. Okay. Next question. As per RBI guidelines, India became the first country to allow access to government securities by an entity or a person, including a person resident outside India, through, I repeat the question. India became the first country to allow access to government securities by an entity or a person, including a person resident outside India. Through what? It was through guilt account. It was through guilt account. You should remember it was through guilt account. Then third edition third edition of sign languages, a book on third edition of sign languages was released. Okay, it contains about 10,000 terms. Next question. Which company signed an MOU in February 2021 with Bharat Electronics BEL with Bharat Electronics Limited BEL to develop electric vehicles and energy storage systems? A company has signed an MOU with Bharat Electronics Limited to develop electric vehicles and energy storage systems. So, what is the name of the company? It is Triton Electric Vehicle. It is Triton Electric Vehicle. UNCDF. What is UNCDF? It is United Nations Capital Development Fund. Capital Development Fund. It was in news recently. UNCDF, United Nations Capital Development Fund. See, questions can be asked from anywhere. If you are preparing for current affairs, you should know A to Z. Okay, so this was recently in news. A recent executive secretary has been appointed. Executive secretary has been appointed of UNCDF and she is Preeti Sinha. Preeti Sinha. Preeti Sinha has been appointed as the executive secretary of United Nations Capital Development Fund. Okay, next question. Which state government approved the creation of Srivilliputhur Mega Malai Tiger Reserve? Srivilliputhur Mega Malai Tiger Reserve. Which state government approved the creation of Srivilliputhur Mega Malai Tiger Reserve? So which government approved this? And also it was the 51st Tiger Reserve of India. So two questions framed from it. First, which was the state? It was Tamil Nadu. And second, which tiger reserve was it? It was the 51st Tiger Reserves of India. So tiger reserve question and state question. Also question can be framed like what was the 51st Tiger Reserve storage of India? It was Srivilliputhur Megamalai Tiger Reserve. Also it can be asked like how many tiger reserves are there in India? Total tiger reserves on India, they are 51. And when was the first tiger reserve started? It was in 1973. For the conservation of tiger, the program was started in 1973. Okay. Then Theodore Bhaskaran. Theodore Bhaskaran. Who was he? He just won a Sanctuary Lifetime Service Award. Sanctuary Lifetime Service Award. Theodore Bhaskaran won Sanctuary Lifetime Service Award for his work for wildlife conservation. For his work in wildlife conservation. Okay, move to next question. Which country or countries participated with India in the 16th edition of Joint Military Exercise Yudh Abhyas 20 held in Rajasthan from 8 to 20 February 2021? I repeat the question. Which country participated with India in the 16th edition of the Yudh Abhyas 2020? And that was held in Rajasthan. So which country was it? It was USA. Okay, India and USA participated in Yudh Abhyas. Okay, and it was in Rajasthan. It was the 16th edition of this exercise. Then A cargo ship was also launched by Russia. Cargo ship means this is the cargo for International Space Station. Russia just launched a rocket in which it carried cargo for the International Space Station. Must know. Question can be framed: which country launched the cargo ship to ISS? It was Russia. Next question. Which company has collaborated with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to manufacture 3D printed aero engine components? To print 3D printed aero engine components, which company has collaborated with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited? And the name of the company is Wipro 3D. The name of the company is Wipro 3D. Jute seed distribution has been started. Means the seeds of the jute plant is being distributed. Okay, by whom? Question can be framed: by whom? It was Smriti Irani. It was started by Smriti Irani. Next question. Which country approved to build the world's first energy island that can produce and store green energy satisfying the electricity requirement of 10 million households? For 10 million households, what was the name of the country? It was Denmark. It was Denmark. Okay. Next, no, one more thing you should know about. India gifted Syria recently. India gifted Syria recently 20 metric tons of rice. 20 metric tons of rice. Okay, must know. Next question. Against which bank the highest number of complaints were received as per IRBI's Ombudsman scheme of the Reserve Bank for the year 2019-2020? Complaints were received for which bank? Axis Bank gave the highest number of complaints to RBI. Okay, which? Axis Bank. Then, in a state, war memorial is being set up. War memorial for COVID warriors. COVID-19 warriors. And who are the COVID-19 warriors? Your doctors, your policemen, your nurses. Okay, and all for these persons war memorial is being built. And which is the state in it is will be built? It will be built in Odisha. Okay, I request all the people to just carry a pen and paper with them to write all these additional information also. These will be provided to you in a PDF, but the thing that I'm writing down and I'm teaching while making this video, these are also important, such as war memorial, Odisha. Okay, then I told you about the Syria, India gifted Syria. Then jute distribution stream was started by Smriti Irani. The cargo ship by Russia, Theodore Bhaskaran. You should know these. These are also the current affairs of February, and these are some of the additional that you some of or somewhere you left them. So you should know them. Okay. Moving to next question. Which bank partnered with the PhonePe, enabling PhonePe to use the bank's unified payment interface ID on a multi-bank model? Which was the name of what was the name of the bank? It was Axis Bank. Okay, Axis Bank partnered with PhonePe. Then you also know I told you about Sanskrit in last question, that Sanskrit Rashtriya Mahotsav. Sanskrit Rashtriya Mahotsav means a festival was celebrated for the language Sanskrit. In which state? It was celebrated in West Bengal. It was celebrated in West Bengal. Next question. Which organization announced its plan for the world's first all civilian space mission, Inspiration 4? Inspiration 4 is related to SpaceX. SpaceX is related to Elon Musk. Elon Musk is related to Tesla. And Elon Musk is also related to Boring Company. He is also related to Neuralink. Okay, must know. Perseverance. is related to NASA. What was Perseverance? It is the name of the rover which landed on Mars. Which landed on Mars. Okay. Where was the foundation stone for Lalanda Dam laid down by Indian government recently in February 21? The foundation was laid in Afghanistan. Then 11th Feb, it is celebrated as International Day of Women and Girl in Science. Okay. On 11th Feb only, a program was launched by the name Vigyan Jyoti program. Vigyan Jyoti program. This program encourages women to take interest in science. Then on 24th Feb, you should know that on 24th Feb, National Girl Child Day was celebrated. Okay. On 11th Feb, also SERB. What is Science and Engineering Research Board? This SERB gave Women Excellence Award. Women Excellence Award. Okay. There were 4 recipients of this award. It was given to 4 women and they were given 15 lakh in this award. The name of the women are Antara Banerjee, Shobha Kapoor, Sonu Gandhi, and one more. I guess it was Ritu Gupta. Yes. I repeat, Shobha Kapoor, Antara Banerjee, Sonu Gandhi, and Ritu Gupta. Okay. Next question. Which organization released the Indian Energy? I repeat, which organization released India Energy Outlook 2021 that predicted India will surpass European Union to become the world's third largest energy consumer by 2030? So which was the agency or the organization? It was International Energy Agency. International Energy Agency. Okay. Then Theodore Bhaskaran, revise it again, won Sanctuary Lifetime Service Award for lifetime wildlife conservation. Okay. Next question. Which was dedicated as the International Year of Artisanal Fisheries and Aquaculture by Food and Agriculture Organization? I repeat, which was dedicated as the International Year of the Artisanal Fisheries and Aquaculture by Food and Agriculture Organization? Which year? It was 2022. Which year was it? It was year 2022. Okay. Next question. What is the theme of RBI's Financial Literacy Week? Theme of RBI's Financial Literacy Week that was celebrated from February 8 to 12. What was the theme? The theme was credit, discipline, and credit from formal institution. 13th Feb, Radio Day. Okay. I repeat the theme again. The theme was credit, discipline, and credit from formal institution. Next question. Recently, the Working Group Committee WGC of IRDAI recommended the introduction of index-linked insurance policies. What is the lock-in period for an index-linked insurance policy? The lock-in period of this policy should be 5 years. The answer for this question is 5 years. Okay. Next question. In February 2021, NPCI launched a global level hackathon. NPCI Pay Up Challenge supported by APIX. What is the aim of the hackathon? Remember, NPCI launched a global level hackathon. Okay, global level hackathon was launched. What was the main aim of the hackathon? The main aim of the hackathon was find alternate authentication for UPI transaction. Find alternate authentication for UPI transactions. Next question. Which company recently acquired 5% stake of Indian Energy Exchange Limited in India Gas Exchange? Which company acquired what was the company name? GAIL, GAIL Limited. Okay, GAIL acquired it. Next question. Where is the world's largest radio telescope, square kilometers array, radio receivers planned to be positioned? World's largest radio telescope. World's largest radio telescope. Remember, by saying it again and again, you will memorize it. Okay, world's largest radio telescope, that is square kilometers array, and receivers are planned to be built at Australia and South Africa. Australia and South Africa. So the answer of the question is fourth. Okay. Next question. When is United Nations World Pulses Day celebrated annually? World Pulses Day is celebrated on 10th of February. World Pulses Day. World Pulses Day on 10th of February. Next question. Which wing of Indian Armed Force conducts its largest war games event? Theater level operational readiness exercise. TROPEX. Theater level operational readiness exercise was started by which wing of Indian Armed Force? Which wing of Indian Armed Force? It was by Indian Army. It was by Indian Army. Okay. Then you should know TROPEX was conducted in three phases. TROPEX was conducted in three phases. First phase was Sea Vigil. Second was AMPHEX. AMPHEX, AMPHEX. Third was TROPEX. Sea Vigil, AMPHEX, TROPEX. Okay. Next. Recently, a seaweed mission was launched by Technology Information. A seaweed mission was launched by Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council. The the seaweed mission is aimed at. What is this mission aimed at? It is aimed at bioethanol production, reduce algae blooms, reduce CO2 from atmosphere. So the answer is fourth. Okay, next question. Which life insurance company has the highest claim settlement ratio for fiscal year 20? Highest claim settlement ratio for fiscal year 2020 as per IRDAI's report. IRDAI's report, which life insurance company has the highest claim settlement ratio for fiscal year 2020? It is Max Insurance Life. Max Life Insurance. It is Max Life Insurance. Moving to next question. Which bank committed to invest 100 million US dollars into the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund? Which bank will invest $100 million in National Investment and Infrastructure Fund? So which bank will it be? It will be NDB, New Development Bank. Next, which bank recently signed an MOU with Indian Oil Corporation to provide interest-free loans up to 2 crore to Indian oil dealers? Which bank was it? It was Punjab National Bank. It was Punjab National Bank. Next question. Which Indian organization has organized the India-Australia Circular Economy Hackathon? India-Australia Circular Economy Hackathon was organized by which Indian organization? It was organized by Niti Aayog. It was organized by Niti Aayog. Next question. What is the maximum project loan limit allocated per FPO under the credit guaranteed faculty of central government formations and promotions of 10,000 new FPO scheme? So what is the maximum project loan limit allocated? The maximum allocated loan limit will be 2 crore rupees. It will be 2 crore rupees. Which country received a financial assistance of 400 million from Export Import Bank for construction of a 6.7 kilometer connectivity project? Which country will receive it? It will be received by Maldives. Okay. Next question. Which sector of Indian companies received the highest score in ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited First Corporate India Risk Index? So which sector of India companies received the highest score? It was received by healthcare. It was received by healthcare. Next question. Which of the following is the website launched for conducting India's first toy fair? India's first toy fair. It was held virtually, first thing. Second, it was launched on website https the indiatoyfair.in. Okay, next question. Which organization conducts the annual event World Sustainable Development Summit WSDS that was virtually inaugurated by PM Modi in January 2021? So what was the organization? The name was Energy and Resource Institute, TERI. The Energy and Resource Institute, it is also known by the name TERI. Okay, next question. Which organization partnered with Map My India to build an indigenous mapping and geospatial portal? Which organization is has partnered with MapMy India to build an indigenous mapping and geostationary portal? It was India Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. Headquarter is in Bangalore. Chairman K. Sivan. Okay, next. Which bank partnered with the Confederation of Real Estates Developers Association of India to launch a new bank account specially for construction workers? A bank for construction workers is to be built. So CREDAI has partnered with which bank? They have partnered with Indian Payments Bank, Indian Payment and Postal Bank. Next question. Which is the India's first company that became a cohort member of the World Economic Forum's Circular Accelerators Program 2021? So which is the first Indian company? The name of the company is Recycle. The name of the company is Recycle. Next question. Who was appointed as the new Prime Minister of Italy? Who is the new Prime Minister of Italy? It is Mario Draghi. It is Mario Draghi. Next question. Which organization is developing the world's first highest altitude pseudo satellite combined air train teaming system? CATS. Which company is building it? It is built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It is being built by Hindustan's Aeronautic Limited. Okay. Then you should also know chairman of DRDO. Who is the chairman? GS Reddy. Okay. Then CEO of Railway Board. CEO of Railway Board. V.K. Yadav. Okay. Then next question. When was the World Radio Day annually celebrated? World Radio Day, we just saw, it was celebrated on 13th of February. So let's move to the next question. Where was the second international conference on gender equality, a carbon neutral event held? A carbon neutral event that was on gender equality. You should remember it that second international conference on gender equality was a carbon neutral event. Important question, you should mark it very important. Most very important question. Okay. So carbon neutral event, what was the carbon neutral event? The event that second international conference held on gender equality. Where was it held? It was held in Kozhikode, Kerala. It was held in Kozhikode, Kerala. Okay, in this 90 international speakers took part from 20 countries. Okay, the theme was promoting women and transgender person and empowering them to become entrepreneurs. Okay, next question. Where is India's first fully fledged international cruise terminal Sagarika located? It is located in Willingdon Island, Kerala. Sagarika, fully fledged international cruise located in Willingdon Island, Kerala. The name is Sagarika. Okay, yeah, of Kerala you should remember there is Kochi Mujris. It is the biggest art event. Biggest art event. Kochi Mujris. Biggest art event. Okay. Next question. What is the revised upper ceiling amount for a two family pensions as of February 2021? Earlier the amount was 45,000 per month, but now the amount has been changed to 1,25,000 per month. Okay. Next question. Before that, 27th January, it is Guru Ravidas Jayanti. Guru Ravidas Jayanti celebrated. And who was Guru Ravidas? Guru Ravidas was known for his efforts of eradicating caste system. Okay. He removed or worked for the abolition of caste system in India. Who? Guru Ravidas. Next question. Which organization released the Traffic Crash Injuries and Disabilities, the Burden on Indian Society report that estimated India accounts to 11% of global road accidents? It was World Bank. Okay. Next question. RBI revised the rules for investment in NBFCs for a non-FATF countries. As per the revised rules, what is the maximum holding limit by a new investor for this country? The new amount is 20%. Okay, Amazonia 1. Amazonia 1 is a, or you can say PSLV C51. They both mean the same thing. In question, if it is given Amazonia 1, then you should go for PSLV. Either of the option given in the options will be correct. They both same thing. Next question. Which ministry received the 18th Computer Society of India Special Interest Group on E-Governance Award under project category? Under project category, which was the ministry? We have done this question earlier. You should know the answer. The ministry was Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Ministry was Tribal Affairs. FICCI. What is the full form of FICCI? Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Okay. Next question. How much investment amount needed for India to reach its target of 450 gigawatts of renewable energy by 2030? India to reach 450 gigawatts of energy by 2030. A report has been released that by IEEFA that India will be requiring amount of 500 billion US dollars. Okay. Next question. One more thing. Global Anti-Terror Watchdog FATF. Financial Action Task Force is also known as Watchdog because they monitor on the terrorist and they have put Pakistan in grey list. They have put Pakistan in grey list. Next question. Which regional World Health Organization has signed a LOE for traditional medicines program in New Delhi? It was launched by World Health Organization of Southeast region. Next, name the ministry which launched Pay Jal Sarvekshan. Pay Jal Sarvekshan was launched by which ministry under Jal Jeevan Mission Urban on a pilot basis in 10 countries? It was launched by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. It has said here Jal Jeevan Mission Urban. So you know it should be Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Okay, Mohua, you can say. Next question. Who headed the RBI formulated a 8-member expert committee or urban cooperative banks on the lines of statement on development and regulatory policies? Who was the chairman, or you can say who was the leader or the chairman, or who headed the committee of those 8 members? It was headed by N.S. Vishwanathan. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala was appointed as the 7th Director General of World Trade Organization. She is from which country? But before that, who is she? She became the first woman from Africa, or you can say Nigeria. She became the first woman. Okay, and she was from Nigeria, not Jamaica. She was from Nigeria. Okay, and the 7th Director General of World Trade Organization. Next question. Dr. Ajay Mathur has been named as the new Director General. Ajay Mathur has been named as the new Director General of International Solar Energy Society. It is International Solar Alliance. International Solar Alliance is to set up world's first solar bank, where it is expected to be built in India, and the headquarter is also expected to be in India. Next question. Who launched eChhavni portal and mobile app in New Delhi to provide online civic services to around 20 lakh residents of Cantonment Board across India? Who launched it? Which ministry you can say launched it? It was launched by Ministry of Defense. That is Rajnath Singh. Ministry of Defense. It was launched by Rajnath Singh, Ministry of Defense. Next question. One more thing in this regard. United States, there is a award in United States, that United States International Anti-Corruption Championship Award. Yes, United States International Anti-Terrorism Anti-Corruption Champions Award, US International Anti-Corruption Champions Award. It was given to an Indian activist, and who was she? She was Anjali Bhardwaj. It was Anjali Bhardwaj. Next, former Indian cricketer Naman Oja retires from all forms of cricket. He belongs to which state? Naman Oja belongs to which state? He was a batsman cum wicket keeper. He was from Madhya Pradesh. He was from Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Then in Japan, you should remember that they appointed a loneliness minister, and also they will be building a wooden satellite by 2023. Next question. Which country has signed an MOU with India for enhancing cooperation between the two countries in civil space authorities? Which is the country? It is Australia. Australia has signed with India. Okay. Next, RBI released the draft Reserve Bank of India directions in 2021 in exercise of the powers conferred under the section dash of the RBI Act 1934, read with section 45. So what was the name of the section? It was 45W. Okay. Next, which e-commerce giant has partnered with ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company to offer self-guard insurance, a group of insurance policy to its consumers and their families? So ICICI Lombard General Insurance has partnered with which e-commerce company? It has partnered with Flipkart to provide a safe insurance to its consumers and their family members. Okay. Next question. Chief Minister of which state has recently received the Scotch Challenger Award? Chief Minister of the Year Award. Scotch Challenger Award is the Chief Minister of the Year Award, and it was given in 2021. And who is the minister? It is given to the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Name the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Comment below. Comment the name of Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. I just told you in the video. That is the reason I told you, and if you are attentive, you should have known it by now. Comment it below. Union Ministry for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying presented Animal Welfare Board of India National Awards for Animal Welfare and Protection, namely Prani Mitra and Jiva Daya. So two awards were given, Prani Mitra and Jiva Daya. Prani Mitra and Jeev Daya. Prani Mitra Award under corporates category received by which entity? So AWBI, Animal Welfare Board of India, gave two awards, Prani Mitra and Jiva Daya, and it was given to whom? Tata Trust Foundation. Okay. Next question. Who was removed from Puducherry Lieutenant Governor post and Dr. Tismilai Sundararajan, the government of Telangana, was given additional charge as the LG of Puducherry? Kiran Bedi was removed from the post of Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, and Dr. Tamisai Sundararajan, who was the Governor of Telangana, given the additional charge of Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. Which of the following acts of Indian government got approved from the Union Cabinet chaired by PM Modi for its amendment? The amendment was the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. Next question. Union Cabinet chaired by PM Modi gave approval for the signing of a comprehensive economic cooperation and a partnership agreement. As per the approval, which country will become the first African country to have a deal with India? Which will become the first African country? It will be Mauritius. Important, first African country to have a deal with India will be Mauritius. Next. Which state is the top destination for the foreign direct investment from the United Kingdom as per the Grant Thornton Bharat's Britain Meets India report? It is Maharashtra. It is Maharashtra. China surpassed USA. China has surpassed USA in terms of foreign direct investment. Also, China became the highest exporter of India now. Next, as per RBI's guidelines to housing finance company, minimum liquidity coverage ratio of 100% is targeted to be achieved by. It is targeted. What is the target of RBI? We just did in last video. The target will be 2025, 1st of December 2025. Which country received a 50 million US dollar worth of credit? Which country received 15 million US dollars worth line of credit from India Export Import Bank. Exim Bank of India gave line of credit of worth 15 million US dollar to which country? To Sierra Leone. Okay, next. Which organization has won the UNEP's Asia's Environmental Enforcement Award under Innovation Country? It is under Innovation Country. So, what is the name of the organization? It is Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. Next question. Who authored the book Indian Economy's Greatest Crisis, Impact of Coronavirus and the Road Ahead? It was authored by Arun Kumar. Next question. It was authored by Arun Kumar. Which organization signed a statement of intent with Greenstat Hydrogen Private Limited to set up a center of excellence on hydrogen? Which company was it? It was IOC. Indian Oil Corporation has signed a statement of intent with Greenstat Hydrogen. This is in Denmark, first of all. This country, Greenstat, is in Denmark, and Greenstat and IOC, that is Indian Oil Corporation, will be together working on the research of hydrogen fuel. Okay, they will be working on the research of hydrogen fuel. Next question. Where was the joint conference of 11th World Petrocoal Congress and World Future Fuel Summit held? World Future Fuel Summit and 11th World Petrocoal Congress. Where was it held? It was held in New Delhi, India. Next question. Which organization partnered with Bank of Maharashtra to launch Mahabank Channel Financial Scheme, a channel financing solution for MSME? So it was launched by whom? What was the name of the organization? The name was Vayana Network. The name was Mayana Network. Next, which bank signed an MOU with Society of Innovation and Development, an initiative of IISC Bangalore to provide loans to startups and MSME? Which bank was it? The bank was Indian Bank. Okay, Indian Bank signed an MOU with SDI and ISC of to provide loans to startups and MSME, that is medium and micro, small and medium enterprises. Next question. Which is the first and only Indian city to be named as 2020 tree city of the world? It is Hyderabad. We have done this question ample number of times. You should know it now. Who was appointed as the president of the 2020 Tokyo Olympics? 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Who is been the president of Tokyo 2020 Olympics? Who was it? Seiko Hashimoto. Seiko Hashimoto. Next, recently in February, PM Modi virtually inaugurated the Pulgar Thrissur Power Transmission Project. This is the first high voltage current to connect Dash with National Grid. It will be connected to National Grid by which state? It will be Kerala. Okay, next. Which countries participated virtually with India in a macroeconomics dialogue that discussed on the signing the bilateral trade agreement? Which country was it? It was the it was the EU, European Union and India. Okay, together they were discussing on macroeconomics. Next, which country signed an MOU with India for mutual visa exemption from diplomatic passport holders? It was Ethiopia. It was Ethiopia. Next question. RBI has imposed a withdrawal cap of rupees 1000 on customers of Dash Bank for a period of 6 months. RBI has imposed a withdrawal of 1000 rupees on customers of Dash Bank for a period of 6 months. So name of the bank is Deccan Urban Cooperative Bank. Next question. India currently with the presidency of BRICS launched BRICS website. This is the BRIC website. What is the theme of the BRICS 2020? What is the theme of the BRICS 2020 that is being presided over by India? The theme of the BRICS is Intra-BRICS Corporation. Intra-BRICS Corporation. Which country partnered with Israel Missile Defense Organization to jointly develop Arrow 4 anti-ballistic missile? Arrow 4. Okay. Israel is working on it with the help of USA. Okay. Israel is working on it with the help of USA to build Arrow 4, that is anti-ballistic missile. Next question. Which is the UN World's Day of Social Justice observed annually? UN World Day Social Justice Day observed annually. What is the day? It is on 20th February. It is on 20th February. Indian Coast Guard has signed a MOU with how many Asian countries for cooperation in maritime search and rescue operations? 7 countries has signed, and those 7 countries are Japan, Philippines, Myanmar, Thailand, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and Vietnam. Okay, these are the 7 countries: Japan, Philippines, Myanmar, Thailand, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and Vietnam. Next question. Who won Tansen Samman 2020? Who won Tansen Samman 2020? Tansen Samman was won by Pandit Satish Vyas. Satish Vyas. Okay, this Samman took place in Gwalior. Okay, and it is a musical festival. Okay, also Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is given to Alfred Nobel. He developed dynamite, and in order to he regretted his decision to make dynamite, so he started what? Nobel Prize, and it is given in Sweden. Okay, next question. Who received the Eminent Engineer Award 2020? Eminent Engineer Award 2020. Who was the winner of it? It was won by VK Yadav, Vinod Kumar Yadav. He is the CEO of Railway Board. Railway Board. Okay, and it is given by IET, that is Institution of Engineering Technology. Then I told you GS Reddy. He is the chairman of DRDO. K. Sivan is the chairman of ISRO. Okay, GS Reddy is the chairman of DRDO, ISRO. Next question. What is the name of India's first indigenously designed and developed air-droppable container which was recently tested? The name is Sahayak NG. The name is Sahayak NG. And you should know that it can carry up to 50 kgs of payload. It is GPS enabled, and it is an advanced version of Sahayak Mk1. Okay, and it has been developed by DRDO. Next question. Which Indian space startup successfully fired a solid propulsional rocket engine named Kalam 5? Indian space startup successfully fired a solid propulsional rocket engine named Kalam 5. So Kalam 5 was tested by Skyroot Aerospace. Skyroot Aerospace. Okay, Skyroot Aerospace is founded by two ex-ISRO scientists. Next question. Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center inaugurated in which state? It is inaugurated in Karnataka. Karnataka, you must know, it is the most innovative state. Kerala, you should know that this state topped in the terms of conservation of petroleum and oil. Okay, then Tamil Nadu, it exempted 100% tax on electric motor vehicles. Means if you buy electric cars, 100% it is tax free. Also, Tamil Nadu started Smart Blackboard scheme. Okay, next. Which state launched a mobile DigiNest? Which state launched a mobile application DigiNet? DigiNest was launched by Punjab. Must know DigiNest. It is to ensure digital access to state government directory. Okay, Punjab also started state data policy. Okay, apart from this, to track programmers and to provide citizens access to services, state data policy. Then Madhya Pradesh, state animal of Madhya Pradesh is Barasingha. Okay, capital is Bhopal, and Karamchari Swasthya Bima Yojana was started here. Karamchari Swasthya Bima Yojana. Okay, next. Which state launched Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana, crop relief scheme? Crop relief scheme was started by Jharkhand. Some important schemes of Jharkhand are Baba Saheb Ambedkar Yojana, Short Term Agriculture Loan Relief Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, and it became the third state to start star rating program. This is for star rating program. This is for industries. Okay. Then Pragyam was started. Pragyam, what was Pragyam? It was an e-pass for delivery of essential services. It was started during Corona, so must know it is an important one. Which solar energy firm has signed agreements with Delhi government and Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan to solarize schools in Delhi? To solarize schools in Delhi, Oak Ridge Energy has started. They plan to install 100 solar panels or make 100 schools by 2020 that will be running on solar energy. That is Oak Ridge Energy. Next, who released the report on trend and progress of banking in India? Report on trend and banking in India was started by RBI. RBI built in 1935, 1945 nationalized. Built in 1935, it was nationalized in 1949. Then if we talk about SEBI, it was made in 1992, headquarters in Mumbai. If we talk about SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, its headquarters is in Lucknow, UP. Okay, next. Government approved a 1 year extension of Chairman of Space Commission and Secretary of Department of Space. Who was this person? It was K. Sivan. Which ministry launched Global Parvasi Rashtriya Portal and mobile application to connect Indian diaspora across the world? It is Ministry of External Affairs. Ministry of External Affairs. Next question. Kerala governor released the book Sabrimala Vijayana Kosam. Who is the author of this book? Sabrimala Vijayana Kosam. Who is the author of this book? The author is K.S. Vijayanath. K.S. Vijayanath. Then you should know, Right Under Our Nose. Right Under Our Nose. This book was written by R. Giridharan. R. Giridharan. Vahana Master Class. Vahana Master Class. This was written by Alfredo Covelli. The Commonwealth of Cricket was written by Rana Chandra Guho. Okay, next question. John Fulton Reid, former cricketer of which country, passed away? John Fulton Reid, he was a cricketer of New Zealand. Next question. Maitri Setu Bridge was recent in news. This bridge will connect India and which country? It will connect India and Bangladesh. Another important question is being built on which river? It is being built on river Feni, and if it opens up, it will improve. It will. Which country will co-chair the International Union for Conservation of Nature supported Asia Protected Areas Partnership? IUCN will be chaired by whom? It will be chaired by India. Okay, then it will be India has gained this chairmanship for 3 years till 2023. India has replaced South Korea, must know. Okay,